Precise, durable, and perfectly balanced, our SE-70 delivers a bright light output of up to 70 lux, giving you clear visibility and confidence on the road. The beam offers up to 8 meters of width, creating a broad and well-defined path ahead. With a beam throw reaching up to 160 meters, you can easily spot obstacles and read the road far into the distance for enhanced safety. At its core is the MTI optical system, providing a precise standard cutoff line beam for comfortable and glare-free lighting. For mounting flexibility, the SE-70 offers 2 installation options, allowing you to fit it on the fork or the stem without interfering with other components. Thanks to its IP56 rating, it is protected against high-pressure water and dust intrusion, performing reliably in all weather conditions. Our SE-70 is compatible with 25 km/h e-bikes and EPAC systems, and fully complies with KMark and EN 15194 CE standards. Our SE-70 is available in 2 different configurations. The package on the left is our D version, the full fork mount kit, with all components needed to install the light on your bike's fork, including our universal fork mount FKPL and the reflector. The standard package on the right is our U version, which includes all basic parts and is ideal if you want to mount it on the stem front. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.